Take a moment and just listen to all of the sounds around you. It may be people talking, equipment running, or 100 other types of noise. Without even realizing it, you are hearing and interpreting each of the sounds around you, acknowledging them, subconsciously or not, based on their importance. While you may not realize it, prolonged exposure to even slightly loud noises in your workplace can lead to long-term hearing damage and potential hearing loss. What would it be like if all those sounds go away? For a moment, cup your hands over your ears. While you still may hear a few sounds, they will be faint. This is only a brief window into what can happen with hearing loss. For many, permanent hearing damage can result in no further sounds being heard, but the damage doesn't stop with your ears. It can also lead to other long-term issues, such as high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and mental stress. What are the ways we can understand if noises are too loud, and how do we protect ourselves? Welcome to the Personal Protective Equipment 104 Hearing Protection Safety course. During this training, we will cover the following learning objectives: ears and sound, exposure and controls, hearing conservation,